The ingredients you'll need is some lemonade. We just have some sugar-free one, but you can have any type you want. You also need some gummy bears, and you can also try this out with like snakes or any other lollies you like.
You're spinning our ice block mold, and also some tag pop sticks or ice block sticks or whatever you want to call them.
Yeah, so let's get started. So now we are just going to add our gummy bears into 4 of them, and then 4 of the other ones we're going to do a different type of ice block.
So stay tuned for that video, and when it's uploaded, we'll have a link down below in this video too.
Yeah, so we're just going to evenly put gummy bears in the 4 of them.
Yeah. The ice block mold. Now I'm going to pour in some lemonade. We're just going to maybe kind of do a bit more than halfway. Then if we want to add a bit more, then we will.
Yeah. Now do it to the top, Heather.
Okay. I'll just turn it around this way so
So now since we've filled the Power Pops molds, we're going to add the sticks and put the lid on.
And guys, we probably should have said this before too. This is a Donna Hay one, and it said to put this in the freezer. So if your one like says that too, make sure you put this in the freezer just for a few minutes before you start making your ice blocks. Okay, so we finished putting the sticks into the mold. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer to 4 to 6 hours or until it's frozen. And yeah.
So we'll see you once it's finished.
So this is what it looks like, and I know it is in the mold still, so just pretend it's not. So guys, this was super easy to make and definitely be a great summertime treat when you get really hot. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and if you want to see more ice block videos in the future, please subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when we upload a new video every Thursday. And please comment down below if you have any requested videos that you want us to do in our future videos. I'm happy to do it for you guys. And yeah, so we'll see you in our next video. Bye!